A warm wishes to all of you students. Today we are going to learn Geography, Unit 2, Land and Oceans. In this lesson, you are going to study about the continents and oceans, classification of landforms, features of different landforms and oceans and its features. Do you know what is this? It looks like Earth, isn't it? But this is Pangaea, the supercontinent, and the sea around is Panthalassa. 200 million years ago, this land masses started moving away because of the internal heat of the earth and to gain the present position as continents and oceans. The earth is covered by water, which occupies 71%, and land that occupies 29% of the earth's surface. The surface of the earth is not even because it has lofty mountains, deep oceans, and other landforms. Classification of landforms. First order landforms include continents and oceans. Second order landforms includes mountains, plateaus and plains. Third order landform includes valleys, beaches and sand dunes. First order landforms. Continents and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. The vast land masses on earth are called continents and huge water bodies are called oceans. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest one. Apart from continents, there are 5 oceans located on the Earth's surface. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Among these oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Now we'll see the land classification in Sangam period. Kurunji, mountain and its environs. Mullai, forest and its surroundings. Marudam, agricultural land and its adjoining areas. Neidal, sea and its environs. Palai, desert region. Second order landforms. The second order landforms are categorized as mountains, plateaus and plains. Mountains. A landform that rises 600 meter above its surroundings and has steep slopes is called a mountain. Mountains are found in isolation or in groups. If the mountains extend for a larger area continuously, it is called a mountain range. Plateaus. Plateaus are the elevated portions of the earth that have flat surfaces bounded by steep slopes. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world, so it is called as the roof of the world. The flat topped part of the plateau is called tableland. The plateaus are generally rich in minerals. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is one of the mineral rich plateaus in India. Plains. Plains are a flat and relatively low lying lands. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. These plains are used extensively for agriculture due to the availability of water and fertile soil. They are most suitable for human inhabitation. Third order landforms. Third order landforms are formed on mountains, plateaus, and plains mainly by erosional and depositional activities of rivers, glaciers, wind, and waves. Valleys, beaches, and sand dunes are some examples of third order landforms. Oceans. The earth looks blue when we see it from space. This is because two-thirds of it is covered by water. The water is found in oceans and seas. Oceans are vast expanses of water. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in its west and North America and South America in its east. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean around in the south. The deepest point, Mariana Trench, is 10,994 meter and is located in the Pacific Ocean. Chain of volcanoes is also present around the Pacific Ocean. They are called the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers 1/6 of the earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometer. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Like the Pacific, it stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the Earth's surface. It covers an area of 70.56 million square kilometer. It is triangular in shape. It is bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, are some of the islands present in the Indian Ocean. The Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometer. It is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Oceans. The water in this ocean is very cold. Much of it is covered by sea ice. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench with a depth of 7,235 meter. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It covers an area of 15.56 million square kilometer. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean, which is about 5,449 meter in depth.